our passing fancy, but sighs, eyes holding hands. Things my heart understands. I'm old-fashioned, but I don't mind it. That's how I want to be, as long as you agree to stay old-fashioned with me. Mr. Saturday dance, heard they cried at the floor, softly different without you. Don't get around him much anymore. Thought I'd visit the club, got as far as the door. I couldn't bear it without you. Don't get around him much anymore. Hey, I really wanted you. Said it would be hello, goodbye, but now the empty house on high river or a creek, but it doesn't thrill me half as much as dancing cheek to cheek. Dance with me, I want my arms around you. That's all about you. Will carry me through. I sing this last song. In my mind, I've got a picture of a young soldier sitting in his wet and cold foxhole, feeling frightened and alone, thinking about everyone far away at home. And this is what I would have liked him to hear at that moment. Keep your chin up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of a storm, there's a golden sky and the sweet silver song of a lark. Walk on, with hope.